If you are looking for different paver landscape ideas and patterns, you are not alone. Stone's landscape ideas come in all shapes and sizes. This article outlines a few common patterns, which will help you decide which will work best for your garden. A well-designed landscape will complement the surroundings and complement its design. Patterns create an attractive and functional outdoor space. By using the right pattern, you can achieve a unique look for your home. When choosing styles, consider the condition of your yard and what effect you want to create. Large stones create a feeling of space, while small ones create a busy surface in small spaces. There are several different shapes, including square, round, hexagonal, and rectangular. Some will have several shapes within a single design, making them easy to mix and match. Pavers come in a variety of colors and textures, including natural stone and brick. Brick is one of the most versatile and adaptable options for outdoor living spaces and landscapes. A brick-styled driveway or patio can mimic the look of an old-world townhouse, while fieldstone pavers are a more rustic look. It can be made of clay or even clay. Brick pavers are also very durable and can match the look of any home's exterior.